Just some of those images from a really wild weekend of weather. Much quieter conditions across the area for our Tuesday. 83 degrees, lots of sunshine, less humid, and very light winds through the course of the day. In fact, you're going to step out tomorrow morning from the 60s now back into the 50s. It's going to have a slight cool feel to the morning first thing as you get things rolling. Dry conditions on Doppler radar, but can't say the same about the weekend. We picked up really some incredible amounts of rainfall depending on where you were. We said it would be highly variable, but there were some areas that did see 3 to 5 inches of rain over the course of the weekend. Even look at the difference across Lucas County toward the state line. Up across northern Lucas County, there was 1 to 3, even up to 4 inches of rain. And a little closer to 1 to 2 inches across a good chunk of the Toledo Metro. Lighter totals around an inch on the south end of the Metro. And down there toward Providence Township, over toward Grand Rapids, a little bit of a donut hole that was less than a half an inch. Look at the band of heavy rain that was west of Archbold into Williams County and Defiance County. That was 3 to 5 inches of rain. And another area on the flip side of it, our friends down there in Henry County were left with about a half an inch or less of rain. Now, to get some of the dramatic video and pictures, I want to thank everyone that sent them into the W211 weather team. This one from Emily Sky out in Sandusky. And how about that waterspout? At some of the video that came in from Port Clinton, a very large waterspout. Unfortunately, as Kaylee was talking about, we didn't have any reports of damage associated with these, but they were some very dramatic sights just across the area as we went through the course of the weekend. We're expecting sunshine, dry weather for Tuesday and Wednesday, low to mid-80s with storm chances arriving late week Thursday and into Friday. Now, a little unusual, but out there on my radar, next week there's going to be another total solar eclipse. Not here, though. You'd have to be up there in Greenland, Iceland, or down into Spain to experience that. On August 12th, 2026 will be the next total solar eclipse across the world. We're looking at temperatures tonight that drop back into the 50s. Should see highs tomorrow right around the low 80s as we go into the afternoon. It could get a few areas to the mid-80s by Wednesday. Big day Thursday, the St. Jude Dream Home giveaway on Thursday. 84 degrees, a few isolated showers and storms. An additional storm or two on Friday, right around the mid-80s, and then gorgeous weather for Jeep Fest this weekend. Dry conditions Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Kaylee, back over to you.